This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to sign up for InVideo. So I'm right here on the main InVideo page, as you can see right here. I do have an affiliate link in the video description. If you click my link there, you will find yourself on a page like this or very similar, depending on how InVideo change it over time. Now, there will be a benefit to clicking that link as far as extra credits and stuff. It really depends what kind of offers InVideo have got on, so I don't want to say the exact amount of credits. It changes all the time, but click that link, find yourself over here, and you are now ready to sign up for InVideo. So you can scroll down, you can get some more information if you're not familiar. It's a really powerful tool. You can create this awesome AI generated video for all sorts of different purposes and use cases. So you can sign up right at the top there, log in if you do happen to have an account already, but we are going to click here on start creating. And just like that, we get this sign up form here. Now, super simple. If you already have a Google account, which most people do, or Gmail, you can continue with Google and sign in with your Google account or Gmail. Same with Apple. You can continue with Apple, sign in with your Apple account, or you could go old school and just literally put your email address in there like we used to and click continue like we used to in the old days. So that is how you will sign up for InVideo. It's an awesome tool. Create pretty cool AI videos like you see over here in this little promo video they've got running on the right hand side. Hopefully you found this video useful. Check out my link and see what offers they currently have on at InVideo. If you found this video useful, informative, drop the video a like. I've said video a lot. And also subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. I said video again.